Our lives are not defined by any one action. Our lives are the sum of our choices. Every skill you don't have, every mistake you refuse to learn from, has come to this. When the need for stability is absolute, and the odds make absolutely no sense, the mission somehow falls to him, should he choose to accept. For every problem he tries to fix, he creates millions more. Now the fate of every living soul on earth must suffer through whatever this is. That's the pattern, isn't it? He refuses to sacrifice his commitment to idiocy. He's always been on the wrong side, my friend. He has a lot of regrets, and so should you, for watching this.
You don't have to trust me.